This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing any case and putting the iPhone in the shade so heat won't build from external sources. Next, close resource-heavy background apps and force quit recently used apps. This reduces CPU load immediately. Then disable radios you don't need, like Bluetooth, AirDrop, or Wi-Fi, because persistent searches spin the modem and raise temperature. Once done, check Control Center and Battery widget for any obvious spikes. These quick actions cut heat while we move into deeper troubleshooting. Now you dig into system diagnostics. Open Settings Battery and identify apps using disproportionate power. Force stop or uninstall offenders to lower CPU and GPU use. Make sure iOS is up to date because firmware patches fix runaway processes that cause heating. Then tune settings. Disable background app refresh for unnecessary apps, set mail to fetch manually or increase fetch interval, and limit location services to while using. These steps reduce background cycles and explain why the phone stays cooler over time. For final fixes, back up and perform a full restore via iTunes or Finder to eliminate persistent software corruption. This wipes offending daemons causing thermal problems. Check settings battery health. If maximum capacity is well below 80% or the battery bulges, replace it because degraded cells generate heat. If issues persist after restore and battery checks, cool the device, replicate with minimal apps, and contact Apple support or an authorized service provider. Hardware faults like a failing power IC require professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.